All right, traders, time for a weekly market update showing you how I'm approaching this market. So welcome in, fam. Much love, Trav. So to recap with you guys, I'm trading Forex via bots. So I'm not going to show you that, but all of my money is allocated to trading Forex algorithms, relatively high frequency, 4 trades a day. I'm working with a quant. And I'm using the time that I previously was spending trading, and I'm starting a private adventure guide business in real life. I decided I wanted to touch more grass, so you could check me out here, but that's what I'm doing now. I'm I'm also paper trading right now. I would trade with real money, but I just prefer to have it allocated to Forex and open up um my time and my energy for other things, but I'm staying sharp in my trading because I know I will come back to this to trade risk assets at some point. So if we look at my paper trading account, I'm currently have 7,000 open P&L. I have positions in US 100, US 2000, ETH, and Bitcoin. And primarily what I'm doing in this account is I'm trading, my strategy is to be long only risk assets. That's pretty much the strategy. If I see a high time frame breakout on a Forex or a commodity, I might take it. So for instance, whereas Euro JPY, I took this long like so in the paper trading account. So I'm willing to this one I marked, I didn't actually take, but that one would have worked unbelievably well. Um, remember why that was the target. I think it's not showing up right now. But yeah, so long only. So and then I'm pretty much holding for a long target and I'm not advancing my stop. I'm not really adding on advancing the stop a little bit, but trying to catch a major trend at the bottom, and then also to hold and and buy breakouts as well. So the way that I'm able to buy bottoms and not just constantly lose if the market comes down, as you see on my chart, the yellow lines are monthly lows. So I'm looking for price to come down to an old monthly low and then reclaim it. And historically, for risk assets, not always, but it's often a pretty good time to buy. And what I'm trying to do is hold for a much longer move. So at the least, I have a Fibonacci target for 8R on this one. It's already running at 3.5, and it might come back and stop me out. I'm prepared for that, but if we just look at the history of investment assets, they tend to go up. Yes, there's drawdown periods, bear markets, that's okay, even in a bear market by doing this. Well, I do have a rule that I can only, yeah, I can do it anywhere, but yeah, I mean, there would be some losses that would occur, but also some nice wins that would occur in here. So there's not that much analysis required. Monday, April 22, I got in when we took this loan, we reclaimed it, letting it run. I'm gonna keep my stop wide and advance it, and allow it to come back. Same thing with US 2000. Took out this monthly low, and on the same day we reclaimed it. So I went long. EU50, actually, I had advanced my stop to break even, and I got stopped out at break even on this one. So I'm gonna leave that alone. Gold would be waiting for it to come down here potentially before a buy. So if it comes back to 22, 26 and then reclaims, we could do it. US 500, you can see it just didn't quite set up as well. I didn't take it. It was just kind of awkward. It took a while to reclaim the thing. US 30 as well, it didn't look as clean. I didn't take it. JP 225 as well. Yeah, I didn't really like that. And then Oz 200, I think I took it on this day and got stopped out, but I would re-enter under here. And then ETH is running at 1 hour. I took ETH on this day, I guess it was this day, when it took out an old monthly low and then reclaimed it. Aiming for a Fibonacci extension. I know we probably won't get there, but if we do, it's 13R, right? So as we move up, I could advance my stop, and if we don't get there, it's fine, but if we do, it's a huge win for the account. Same thing for Bitcoin, although Bitcoin, maybe this isn't the best. I should have actually added a bot yesterday, but I wasn't paying attention because since I'm paper trading, it's not really my highest priority. Some days I have a lot more going on. But yeah, that's kind of it. I mean, we can look at um total 3. Like both have given long signals. It doesn't mean it will work, but both swept a low and are coming back. Actually, the altcoin market's been relatively stronger, whereas it's still protected these lows from that Saturday dump. Um, Now, ooh, see, this is what I'm talking about with the monthly low buy. I'm not trading alts. I'm not really paying that close attention here, but that would have been a nice buy right there, right? Where are we going? I don't know. Solana as well, I guess on Wednesday. BNB. To me, BNB looks incredibly strong, and we might not get the right signal for it, but BNB, dude, has hardly come down at all. It's really near the highs, so BNB looks to me like it's gonna launch, but I don't have an entry. But I could enter if we get up to 640, 630 and close above it, then that could be my entry. Also, potentially, if we have a weekly sweep, I might be able to do it. Or if it just dumps, I could also buy down here at 514. Let's just go through sectors a little bit. I'm curious. Utilities look strong. Energy is down. Energy has been coming down. Uh, Information technologies gapped back up, so that's why the US 100. I think there was some earning reports that came out. Cocoa topped. I tried to get in a sell here, but my limit, the market was closed. I couldn't market enter. I wanted to market enter right here. I said a limit didn't fill. And then nothing else looks super interesting to me. I guess US oil could have been a sell on this day, maybe. I didn't take this, but I threw it on my chart. I kind of missed it, but this, I'd be okay with sitting in a wheat. Soybean could get interesting. Actually, I don't think the market's open. Otherwise, maybe I would. This is my problem with, yeah, close at 8:20. With commodities is that the hours just don't work for me. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Much love and talk to you guys soon. Peace.